Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we are going to be looking at November's affiliate marketing results for the month of November. I'm super happy to share this video. Guys, let me hop onto my computer and share with you a little bit more, and we will get into all the details. Hi guys, welcome to another video. As I mentioned before, we are going to be looking at November's results, but before I go ahead, let's cover the strategy, what we're doing, how we're actually building, what's been going on. We're in the last month of this year. I have this video and 3 other videos coming out, I believe. Yes, 3 other videos coming out this month. And then we've ended 2023 and we get into 2024. So this strategy is going to be continuing into 2024. It's not a problem because it is working and is proving to get to that $1,000 per month. We are on a journey. I am documenting my journey on this channel. As I said before, my name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And I want to welcome you first and foremost to the channel because we talk about my specific strategy that I've been following in 2023. I am very, very happy to announce something on this video today, but you got to stick till the end because I'm going to share with you in the end why. All in all, this is the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Tell you exactly how it is. I post 3 videos every single week. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you are not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification so you get subscribed, or rather you get notified every single week when I do post videos. On Monday, we talk about cash flow. So we talk about how to generate a consistent cash flow to your business, to your affiliate marketing business specifically. On Wednesdays, we talk about automation and everything, the nerdier side of my business, which I love, numbers and everything related to the automation side, which is why I spend less time working online and I actually have a full-time job and I do this on the side and still you can see the results. And then on a Friday, we look at the strategy itself and how it can help you and if you want to get started. Okay, so this whole process is being documented because I wanted to have it to $1,000 per month at least. We're not there yet, but we're getting there, right? So we're on the journey to get to that $1,000 per month. And then I'm going to stop with this documentation specifically, and I'm just going to share with you the entire strategy and share with you different tips and tricks, because once we reach that $1,000 per month, you can decide if you want to scale up your business or not. It's really up to you. So let's get into it. As I said, step 1 is the cash flow generating step. We talk about it on Mondays. If you want to know more about that, come back for a Monday video and we can share a little bit more. And step 2, we talk about on Wednesdays and today. So the step 2 is advertising. So as an affiliate marketer, I believe that you need 2 fundamental skill sets as an affiliate marketer. 1 is advertising and 2 is copywriting. But your advertising is the lifeblood. It is what you need. It is a must. It's a 100% must. If anybody tells you differently, then I'm sorry, they are lying to you. There's no way that you can guarantee your income online, but if you focus on advertising, it is a high probability that you can get that income coming in on a consistent basis with your income. So I'm very, very transparent in the whole process. Advertising is a key. And then you have copywriting or email marketing, as I call it, or copywriting in all aspects, because copywriting in your landing page, bridge page, in the offers, that if you have offers in the future, in your emails. So copywriting is the bread and butter as an affiliate marketer. So I believe both these 2 skill sets are important, and that's what you're actually learning with this strategy right here. Okay, so that's the second step. You build a whole system, a whole funnel, and then you also write emails that go to that funnel. Now, I personally, the way I work with this is I'm leveraging a network called Warrior Plus. If you haven't heard about Warrior Plus, it's been in the industry for a long, long time. But I use a Warrior Plus account just specifically because I work with Make Money Online in the Make Money Online niche. So I work with Make Money Online products related to affiliate marketing, related to different trainings like this. And leveraging that, I get basically a commission on that. And that is how the affiliate marketing journey is. Guys, wait a second. I don't know whether you have subscribed to the channel or not, but if you have, that is the only thing that I request, because at the end of the day, if you like, comment, let me know if you want more specific kind of videos. I'm happy to make them on these days. As long as they're pertaining to these topics, I will find a way to put them on this channel. And also, if you comment below and let me know what you're thinking, whether you like these videos or not, it's helpful for me. So that's all I ask for you with sharing and documenting this entire journey. Okay, that being said, let me go ahead now and share with you my entire Warrior Plus account results for the month of November. And then I'm going to show you the exact process of how much I've earned totally in this entire month. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that. What are the costs? What net profit and everything else. And then at the end of this video, stay tuned because you're going to get access to this entire strategy in detail, where I over explain sometimes, but I over deliver. Let me put it that way. I over deliver in this entire strategy and give you something absolutely for free. That is, if you want to learn the skills, if you're serious about affiliate marketing and everything else. But I'll talk about that right in the end. Let me go ahead and share with you the results. So as you can see, let me just move myself to the middle of the page, because that way it's easier. You can see I put the month in Warrior Plus itself. I've gone to transactions, and then I put the start date as the 1st of November and the end of November right here. So you're going to see, and you will see all the commissions that I made. So I made totally 22 sales part-time. Like I said, I work full-time online. Full-time in a full-time job, and I do this on the part-time on the side. 22 items have been sold in the last month, worth $552.30. That is how much the sales price. So that's how much I've sold. And the commissions I've earned for this month of November, drum roll, is $321.57. So basically, step one is creating a cash flow. When I leverage that cash flow to purchase more advertising to my whole entire sales process right here. So advertising, once the cash flow comes in, I use it to advertise and then build up my email list, my asset, and everything else. And this wholesale process kicks in. There are 2 steps. So this entire commissions that you can see right here for the month of November is both these steps. It's not just one, it's both these. It's this entire strategy. Okay. I was traveling in the beginning of November. I just came back. I had a slow month in terms of I was not doing much of my advertising, but I will show you exactly how much advertising I've done. And everything else. And it does take time for people to get to know, like, and trust you. At the end of the day, with affiliate marketing, you're building a relationship with somebody who decides to trust you. You're authentic enough, and then they purchase from you. And that's how the commissions start to flow. So I have tracking for everything. And in fact, you can see here, it has been a very good month in terms of cash flow generating steps. So step one, it has been very good. You can see majority of my sales have come in from the cash flow generating method for this month. And then I've got sales here. You can see one of them. Here is another one where it's not tagged. So it is definitely from my whole process. Here also there is a tag. Here another tag. And that's about it. So you can see that I've got from my emails and from my system itself quite not a large amount of sales. It's been a slow month, to be honest. Let me see. It's been about, yeah, $26 in commission. So $100 in sales. That's it. It is a slow month compared to other months. But otherwise, yes, that's how it's been. But otherwise, majority is coming from step one. I'm being very transparent with you guys so that you can see. So overall, it's I think it's around 46, because this is not counted for some reason. No tag was here, but it's around $46 for the month in terms of emails and my system itself and everything else. And the rest has come in from the step one. That is the whole process. So let's say that is $321.57, right? So this is what I've got from Warrior Plus. Plus, I have earned in my Legion Secrets, which is the traffic source, the fundamental traffic source that I have, the primary one. And guys, if you are interested in actually getting this traffic source, it's going to be in the description of this video, or I'm going to give you another way to get it, which is even better, in my opinion. But you can see that if I go to affiliates, and just to show you, let me just, okay, sorry guys, I had to hide a little bit off the screen because I don't want to show you some personal data of other people. But if you can see right here, that's December already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 payments in the month of November. So that means that is $5 per payment, which means that is $60 for the month. So totally in affiliate marketing commissions, I have earned $381.57. That's how much I've earned totally. I think that is covering everything. And if I minus $30, which is my only upfront cost, is $30, my net profit is $350.57. So this is my total income, my total net profit with affiliate marketing this month of November. Like I said, this is all I'm doing. I'm doing it as a side hustle, and I'm showing you guys how to start to build up the list. Now, everything that I've shared here, right here, I actually have a course that I just launched, guys. This is the bonus. This is the offer. This is what I wanted to share with you. I have a course that explains this entire strategy step by step. So how to use the traffic source? How do you use your offer? How do you start to generate sales? What is advertising? Everything affiliate marketing related. You get the skills. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials, and it's only for €1 in case you want to get this strategy. Now, the reason why I put it for €1, just to let you guys know, is that I want you guys to make a commitment. I could have given this away for free, but I'm only putting it for €1 because I want people to invest in themselves. And if you're taking €1 to invest in yourselves for life, by the way, for life, this course is not going anywhere. I'm not going to take it down. It is a strategy that I'm going to be following for a long time, and it's going to be there. That being said, you invest €1 into yourself, a commitment that you make. It's a non-refundable euro, by the way, but you're investing that amount so that you get access to this entire strategy, and then you decide to put in the work to make the strategy work. Right? I want to be building up a community, and this is why I put in the practice myself before I created the course. So that's the beauty of it. I created this strategy. I implement this strategy. I am practicing this strategy. I'm talking about it on weekly videos. And I have a course, which is just a €1 course. In case you're interested, it will be below. You will have all the resources. And additionally, as a bonus, you're also going to get this entire funnel that I have set up. So the entire two-step funnel is going to be available for you. All you need to do is then just plug in your advertising. You need to start advertising, and that is explained in the course itself. So that will be linked right here. All you need to do is add your first name and email address, and then you can go and get the course yourself, and that's how it moves on. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about this course much more. I don't want to be promoting it so much. I want to show you guys the proof, progress, results. This, if you want to know the entire year how this has done for me, let me show you. Let's go to sales report and give you guys an idea of how it has been since January till now. Okay, obviously December will show nothing because, oh, rather $32. We're just starting in December when I'm making this video. But you can see it's not a smooth, straight process. It was an upward trend until $300. And then it went to 300, 280, 400, 256, 65, sorry, and then 320. So it's ranging between 250 to 350. That's the range that it is right now, making consistently on a monthly basis. So I'm still not a long way to go to the $1,000 per mark, but I'm on the right track to get there. That's all I want to say. So if you're interested in this strategy, it is working for me. It is documented on this channel. It is documented in the course. Everything, all the resources are going to be below. I hope you guys understood the logic behind the strategy, but basically it means creating a cash flow for yourself and then investing in that cash flow to advertise and then have the whole process running for you so that you can hit $1,000, you can hit $2,000, and you know, okay, in order for me to hit $2,000, I need to advertise this much. Now, I use paid traffic. You can use free traffic and boost this even more if you want. It's really up to you. For me, the priority is to spend less time online, which is why I use paid traffic. I hope these elements are clear. If you want to know the details about this strategy, like I said, link is below. You can get started, and I will definitely be there in my Facebook group to support you guys as much as possible. Again, comment, let me know below in case you have any questions, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And on Monday, we're going to be talking about cash flow. Have a great day.